Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and ensuring NET is installed so Taskbarx runs. Once done, download either the installer or the portable zip and extract to a clear folder. Make sure to close running apps, and if you use customization utilities, back up your current taskbar layout and settings before proceeding. Now run the installer or the Taskbarx configurator. Exe immediately and follow the prompts to accept permissions so the app can control taskbar alignment and animation. Once Taskbarx is running, open the configurator to choose center alignment or a precise custom offset. This controls how icons sit. Then adjust animations. Change speed, easing, and opacity to balance responsiveness with smooth visuals. Make sure to preview changes and toggle options like blur or background effects to see how they look in real time. Also configure startup behavior so Taskbarx launches with Windows and test across multiple monitors, or when auto-hide is enabled to confirm consistent behavior. After you apply and save a profile, enable Run at Startup if you want persistent centering. Once saved, restart the taskbar or sign out and back in to lock in alignment across sessions. If your icons jump or settings revert, first make sure Taskbarx has necessary permissions and is not blocked by security software. Then disable other taskbar tools or shell enhancers that conflict. If issues persist, reinstall Taskbarx, test the portable build, and restore your backup settings to recover a known good state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.